Playtex Diaper Genie Refill Bags, ideal for diaper by Playtex, is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. Diaper Genie Diaper Disposal System refills will protect your baby's nursery from unwanted odors and germs. Be prepared for baby with the perfect registry edition that provides enough refills to hold up to a year's worth of newborn diapers. Featuring barrier technology, the 7 layers work together to lock in odors and messes, unlike ordinary one-layer trash bags. Exactly what every nursery needs for odor protection. The refill bags hold up to 270 newborn diapers, so you can spend less time running to the trash and more time with baby. You'll never have to guess or keep count to know when the diaper pail refill needs replacement, as a black indicator line tells you when the refills are almost out. So, keep them coming, baby. An added bonus, the refills are continuous, so when those big blowouts happen you can easily dispose the mess without wasting an entire bag. Made to fit with Diaper Genie pails, you won't ever have to rely on anything else to keep your baby's nursery smelling fresh and staying clean. Now that's something mom and baby will love. The manufacturer's refills guarantee odor lock system performance. If you're not completely satisfied, then you can return for a full refund or replacement. Keep your nursery smelling fresh. Playtex Diaper Genie Disposal System refills will help protect your baby's nursery from unwanted odors and germs. 7-layer strong, built durable. The diaper pail refill bags feature 7 layers that work together to help lock in diaper odors and secure unwanted messes. Ultimate registry gift. This bundle holds up to a year's worth of newborn dirty diapers, making it a great registry gift for new moms. Ultimate odor control. Diaper Genie pails and the diaper pail refills are made for each other for the ultimate odor-blocking diaper disposal system. Fewer trips to the trash. Each diaper pail refill bag holds up to 270 newborn diapers, so you won't have to be running to the trash can multiple times a day. Age group: newborn, infant, toddler, preemie.